Hello, in this video I will show you how to add mosaic effects in Filmora. Click on the stock media and here you can select one of the video. For example, I'm selecting this one. Just pull it and drag on the timeline. Double click on the video and you will be redirected to the video section. And here you will see basic marks, mask and AI tools. You need to click on AI tools and then scroll down and click on the motion tracking and hit on the click to the start motion tracking track. And after that you need to click on the link elements drop down menu and click on the add a mosaic. And here you can see that in the video there is a mosaic effects shown in the video. You can make it bigger or small. And for example, if you want to apply on the this area of the video, you just need to place it. Click OK and play. And here you can see that the mosaic effects is successfully applied. Another way is that, let me undo that. Click on the effects and click on the recommended and type mosaics, MOSAIC, hit enter and you will find the mosaics effects. Make sure your computer must be connected with the internet. And here you can see there is a mosaic full. Just pull it and drag on the above the timeline. And here you can see that mosaic effect is applied. You can make it bigger and adjust to the timeline. So here you can see that mosaic effect is easily applied. So in this way you can easily add mosaic effects in Filmora. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.